Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a closer look at an online store called Coachics.com.
Yeah, we've been getting a lot of questions about this one.
There's just a ton of confusion out there, a lot of concern. So our mission is pretty simple. Dig into the evidence and figure out if this site is actually trustworthy.
And, we didn't have to dig very deep to find trouble. The second we looked at places like Trustpilot, the reviews were, well, they were overwhelming.
Right. And this isn't just a few grumpy customers.
Not at all. It was an immediate sign of a bigger pattern, a
Yeah.
pattern of deception, really, before we even got into the technical side of things.
Okay, so let's start with the customer journey. You see these beautiful photos online, and that seems to be the hook.
Oh, absolutely. It's a classic bait and switch. You're seeing these gorgeous clothes that look like, high-quality knits or detailed embroidery.
And you think you're getting a great deal.
But what shows up in the mail is, from what we've read, just depressing. It's cheap, flimsy polyester.
Like a costume.
Worse, we saw people describing it as something that looks like a tablecloth, just plain ugly. You think you're buying this nice tweed jacket, and you get a plastic sheet.
So you've got this tablecloth dress, and naturally, you want to return it. And the website says very clearly, 30-day return policy.
Exactly. It's right there on the homepage. It's supposed to make you feel safe, but it's just for show.
What do you mean? How can it be for show?
Because when customers try to actually make a return, the company just refuses to give them a real return address.
So you can't send it back.
You can't. Or they'll give you an address and then claim they never got it.
Yeah.
They just want to frustrate you until that 30-day window closes. It makes getting a refund almost impossible.
Wow. So that's not just bad service. That feels like a deliberate strategy.
It is. But this idea of faking things, it goes even deeper, right into the company's own history.
Okay, so this is where we get into the digital forensics.
Right. So get this. If you look at their privacy policy, it says it was last updated on May 12th, 2018.
2018. So that suggests they've been in business for over 6 years.
That's what they want you to think. But we checked the WHOIS data, which is like the website's birth certificate, and the domain was only registered in July of 2024.
Wait, 2024? That's a 6-year gap. That's not a typo. That's impossible.
It's completely impossible. It tells you everything. This is a temporary fly-by-night site. They're just copying and pasting legal documents from other older businesses to look legitimate.
So they're faking their own history.
Faking their history. And that's why they have to steal product photos from all over the internet. They can't show you what their cheap inventory actually looks like.
And they push these sales really hard with these crazy discounts, like 50% off everything, plus an extra $20 off.
For sure. Those too good to be true offers are designed to get a lot of sales really fast, before the terrible reviews start piling up and people catch on.
So it's all about speed.
It's all about speed. And if you try to find them, to hold them accountable, good luck. They list a physical address, a phone number, an email.
But I'm guessing those are also fake.
Pretty much. Our checks showed the physical address is just copied from some other random business. They are not located there at all.
So when you put it all together, it paints a pretty clear picture.
It does. There's no real way to contact them, no real address, no real history. There's zero accountability.
Okay, so for you, the shopper, what's the verdict? We've got horrible reviews, products that are nothing like the pictures, copied images, fake business info.
It's a definite avoid. There are just way too many serious red flags to even think about making a purchase from Coachics.com.
And this whole thing leaves us with a really important question to think about. If a company can so easily fake its own history, its location, and its legal policies just by copying and pasting text, what other trust signals, the things we're all trained to look for online, might also be just as easy to fabricate? Something to keep in mind.